Though foundation is pretty basic, working with liquid foundation can be rather tricky. Hi guys, I'm Shikha and this is Hauterfly's Beauty Basics, and today I'm going to show you guys 3 ways in which you can work with liquid foundation. So let's get started. Now before we get into the application of your liquid foundation, you need to prep your base well. For this, the first step is to cleanse your face using either facial wipes, makeup removers, cleanser, or just washing your face. You need to make sure that you get rid of all the dirt or any residue of makeup that may be sitting on your face. The next step to prep your base is to apply moisturizer to make sure your skin is healthy and hydrated. The last step to prep your base is to apply your primer, and now your skin is ready for foundation. Now let's start with light coverage foundation. If you guys are going for a no makeup look or wearing foundation for daily use, then this coverage works well. For this, you'll need any liquid foundation and a beauty blender. Start by dampening your beauty blender and get rid of all the excess water that your beauty blender is holding. Now the next step is to take your liquid foundation and dot it all over your face. Focus on areas that you want to hide the most. Now taking your damp beauty blender, bounce it all over your face to thin and even the foundation out. Make sure you use the beauty blender in a bouncing motion and not a sweeping motion, as if you sweep the beauty blender, it will take the foundation off. Instead, you want to push it in and thin it out. Now the next way that I'm going to show you is for medium coverage. For this, you need nothing but just your foundation and your fingers. When applying your foundation using your hands, make sure your hands are completely clean, as they're going to be in direct contact with your face. I'm going to use a hand sanitizer to completely sanitize my hands. Again, start by dotting the foundation all over your face and simply use the warmth of your fingers to even and spread it out. The warmth of your fingers will help push the foundation in as well as break the product down. At the same time, your fingers can get into those pesky corners that a brush will not reach. When working with your fingers for a medium coverage, start off by a thin layer and then build it up as you require. Now if you're looking for full coverage for a party or photo shoot that you have to attend, start by picking a foundation that offers full coverage. For the application of your full coverage foundation, use a flat foundation brush or a flat top brush. The flat foundation brush or flat top brush does not hold on to much product. It makes sure that your foundation is evenly spread out and forms a nice layer on top of your skin. Start by taking the foundation on the back of your hand and streaking it on your face using the brush. Now, buff it in using your brush in a circular motion. To set your masterpiece in place, use a makeup fixer to fix your foundation so it doesn't move. And that's it guys, that is how you apply your foundation for 3 different coverages. I hope this video was helpful. For more videos like these, stay tuned to Hauterfly.